What a glorious day. Going to try and do a video blog going to the Spring Classic Festival, which is a surf skate music event in Woolacombe, Devon. SkateWine. Very local to me, and I've been lucky enough to get a skate ticket through, I think, Canvas Skate Parks and Shiner. They seem to be looking after the festival skate side of things. Let's check it out. We're here. I just had to pay £5 for parking. Already annoyed. It's a festival. We've got a festival ticket. You've got to pay £5 for parking. Just include the parking. Just make the ticket £5 more. It's ridiculous. So it's my first gripe so far. Straight away, just parked up next to Stefan. Said hello. He's like, "You SkateWine?" And I am. So hello Stefan, shout out to the family. Apparently they paid £10 for parking. It's even more crazy in advance. You'd think it would have been cheaper, so she said she's gutted. So far, festival organisers are doing well. Just had my bag checked twice in 2 seconds. Loving it. Just got into the festival. Got asked why I've got a bag full of camera gear. Didn't want to leave it in the car, so that's why I've got it on me. They were like, "Don't take any pictures." I was like, the less work I do here, the better. I'm not doing free media. Well, I am actually, because I'm doing this little vlog, but I'm not doing free media for you, so it's all good. If I'm not getting paid, I don't need to do it. Thank you very much. But they should let me in. I'm trying to find the skating now. Where's the skating going to be? Pretty big old place. So Woolacombe, strange location, difficult to get to, quite dangerous driving, narrow roads. Now I'm here, I can see why they picked it, it's very nice. Pretty quiet at the moment, but it is like 12 o'clock. I managed to get here on time. Looks like they've got some hula hooping going on. It's apparently the festival's run by Wavelength magazine, so they've probably got their own media, they don't need people like me helping. Really interested to see what this mini ramp's like. Oh, no one's skating it, brilliant. Got it too early, haven't I? How's it going?
Takes a while, no.
Finally allowed on the ramp, and it is like an ice rink. Woo! So slidey. Do something good! Oh! The angles. So slidey.
Oh, hello.
Woo! The other thing is it's on a hill. Go for a frontside grind and you end up in Lundy Island, which is over there.
It's being polite. It's rubbish.
I am being very polite.
Shocking. Yeah.
We do a ramp review out of 10.
Out of 10. Well, how are we grading it? Slippiness.
Slippiness, coping.
Level, no.
Level, no.
Level, no. Big no. Slippiness, 10.
Slippiness out of 10, good.
Yeah. Coping's actually, I like it.
Yeah.
But then it comes back down to the level issue. So it's fucking terrifying.
Good size, but the fact it's downhill, you run out of room.
And I've already had a board to the face because of it.
You did. I'm pleased I'm here though. Bristol Welsh boyos have turned up and everyone's sliding out like crazy. How did he manage to stick it so sliding? Finished skating, I'm not skating anymore. Henry, finished skating.
I didn't even start, mate.
Hewlett's finished skating. Just too scary, just too slippy. So it's like 3:30, going home. Going home with 2 good hands. Drinking this really, really nice stuff, water, alcohol stuff.
It was at this point Rob saw security and knew he'd fucked up.
Weather's nice though.
The weather's beautiful.
You promoting alcohol on your channel?
I was just getting on skate.
This water is really nice.
True story, just after this recording ceased, I was escorted off the festival premises by security. Good times. Like and subscribe.